Bugeli, welcome to xhosa TV predictors. Today we're having 5 to 6 odds. We'll be quick because we're later games that are already on, so sorry for that. But today we'll start in France where FC Nantes is playing against Monaco. It's a tough one. Monaco in these days not the trusted team, but what we can say Monaco in the draw. Liverpool is hosting Arsenal. Just say Arsenal 2 handicaps. Standard Liège versus Gang. Just say 2 handicaps to the informed team. Gang, two goals of handicaps. And then UT Almeria versus in Spain versus Valencia. Just give 2 handicaps to Valencia. In Portugal, where Casa Pia, Atletico versus Sporting Lisbon. Wow, it's a straight win for Sporting Lisbon. Lorient in France again versus Olympique Marseille. Just give Olympique Marseille in a draw. Real Vallecano versus Atletico Madrid. Just give Atletico Madrid and a draw in that game because Atletico and a draw to be safe. But I see Atletico Madrid winning that game. Another one is in Saudi Arabia, where AS Nasri is playing away. Just give AS Nasri a straight win. I think for today we're done. Thank you very much. And we're forgetting, just don't forget in that one, at least to add the odds, just put Sundowns a straight win against Swallows. I think you'll never go wrong. Thanks very much for today.